Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can bypass the issue of getting ourselves verified on Warzone. And we won't exactly be bypassing this, but using a different method or an alternative method to verify ourselves using a phone number from US. So basically what we will be doing is just go to Google and search for this website called Text Verified. Just click on this very first link that you will see and then go to this website. All you have to do is just sign up here, and under $1 you will be able to get yourself a new phone number from US, and using that phone number you will be able to verify your Battle.net account, and you will be able to receive the code on your text verified account, and then you can just type in that code into your Battle.net account and get yourself verified. This is how easy it is. All you need is just less than $1 to do it. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.